Hello everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel Zara's Lifestyle Diary. So today I will share something unique or something different. We can say this thing. If you are tired from overthinking and you are feeling upset and you are not fine, because we are human, so sometimes we are feeling these type of things. So if you are feeling upset, so this video is for you. So today I'll discuss how to stay calm, how to stay positive. So if life is giving you a tough time, so how to stay calm on that time. So be prepared. So first of all, relax yourself, because nobody will come to you and nobody will guide you or nobody will help you on your life is not always easy. Obviously, we all know that thing. So whenever life gets difficult, so we need to make some changes in our habits so we can release our stress and we can make it positive things happen. So it depends on us, totally on us. So it's better to release tension, release all things, grab the cup of coffee and stay calm. So obviously आपके लिए अगर देखा जाए तो मुश्किल वक्त में आपने खुद ही काम करना होता है, तो इससे बेहतर है कि हम सोचें, ओवर थिंकिंग करें, इससे बेहतर है खुद को रिलैक्स. बी रियल, लाइफ वोंट बी इजी फॉर एवरीवन. So it's better to relax ourselves, and your mindset is your superpower. So you need to control your mind, you need to control your habits, you need to change your habits. If you are overthinking, if you are overthinker, so it's better to stop overthinking and focus on the positive things, so it will comes in your mind, like it will change. First secret, don't react, and no need to control everything by your own, because obviously go with flow, and no need to respond on everything. See, you need to control your mind, and if people is saying something to you, or people is doing something with you, so obviously you can't control these type of things. But yes, you can control yourself, and you can control your mind, and you can control how you respond to others. So it's better to control by your own. No need to respond immediately. Follow this mantra, like I need peace, and I am happy with my peace. So obviously if you are following this thing, you will control your mind, and if you will control your mind, you will be successful. Obviously you will be successful because you are not respond immediately to everyone. So it's better to control your mind. So this is the first secret. A second thing is, you become who you spend time with. So it's better to spend time with the real people, the people who always supports you, who always happy from your hard work, from your work. So if you are spending time with them, so obviously you will learn from them, and obviously they will learn from you as well. And if you are spending time with good people, good things will come to you, and positivity will come to you as well. So it's better to spend time with them. And if you don't have any people like positive people, so you can watch podcast, you can listen Quran, you can read Quran, and you can learn new skills, so it will be better. Third thing is, sometimes you will get peace from journaling or from prayer mat. So it is better to talk with the useless people. It's better to use journaling, and it's my suggestion, because I love to do these things. So if you are thinking something, or if you have something in your mind, so you can take pen and you can write anything on your notebook. Or if you want to share something with someone and you don't have anyone right now on that time, so you can talk with Allah. Like me, sometimes I am doing this type of things, because obviously if I want to share something and I don't have any person with positive mindset or something like that, so I used to share my things with Allah, and I used to do zikr. So it relaxes me a lot. So that's why I'm suggesting to you. So if you are doing these things, you will get positive vibes, and you will be positive, you will be more positive. And if you are positive, obviously you will stay calm, and it will be more beneficial. So next thing, you have to appreciate yourself, because nobody will come to appreciate you. If you are appreciating yourself, obviously you will feel good. And obviously if you woke up and you smile and you are happy today, and you worked small things for yourself, so it is good, it is good for you. And obviously you need to appreciate yourself. If you are not appreciating yourself, so why other people will appreciate you? So it's better to appreciate yourself, and try to make things, make your mind like this, that Alhamdulillah, I did this thing. Alhamdulillah, I am happy, I am blessed. If you are doing these type of things, so obviously you will feel calm, you will feel positive. So this is the I can say this thing, like this is the bestest things for me. Like I used to do this thing, that I am best, I am doing my best, I'm doing my 100%. So obviously if I will say this thing to my mind, so my mind will act like this. So this is next thing is, you we can say this thing, that you need to focus on exercise. I'm not saying that you need to join gym or you need to do proper workout. No, if you don't like these things, you can stretch your body and you can go for walk. You can do some activity what you like, what you love to do. So it will be fine for you. If you move your body, obviously stress will release, like you will feel this thing by yourself. So it is very beneficial for your health, for your mind, and obviously for you. Remember this thing, that stay calm and stay positive. It's not meaning we are ignoring our problems. We are facing our problems, but with peace, with positive mindset. So if you are facing these problems with positive mindset, so obviously you will get solution for these problems. And if you will get solution, you will feel great. Strength for your soul. So remember this thing, that you are doing great, greatest. So it will be okay for everything. It will be okay for you. And if you are happy, everything will be good. So stay positive, focus on yourself, focus on your positive things, so it will be helpful for you. And if this video helped you, so make sure to share this video with your friends, with your family. Don't forget to like this, subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Stay kind, stay you, and stay grounded. Thank you so much for watching me. Thank you so much for tolerating me. We will meet again. Thank you so much for your time. Take care. Bye.